Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Pinterest boards neat and organized, adding sections is the perfect way to do it. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps for adding a section inside a Pinterest board, so you can easily categorize and find your favorite pins. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will show you all your boards. Next, scroll through your boards and tap on the one you want to organize. Maybe it's your home decor board, your recipes board, or any collection you'd like to tidy up. Once you're inside the board, look for the plus section button. It's usually near the top or within the options menu. Just give it a tap. Now, it's time to name your new section. Think about how you want to group your pins. For example, you could create sections like living room ideas, healthy meals, or DIY projects. Type in the name that fits best, then tap next to move on. After naming your section, you'll see a list of all the pins in your board. Select the pins you want to add to this new section by tapping on them. You can pick as many as you like, or just a few to get started. Once you've made your selections, tap Done. And that's it. You've just created a new section inside your Pinterest board. Now, your pins are neatly grouped, making it easier to find inspiration whenever you need it. You can repeat these steps to add more sections and keep your boards as organized as you like. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Happy pinning!